One Meitei village volunteer killed and another injured in Kuki militants' attack at Kangchup, Karang, Poram, Ching under Imphal West district yesterday. The incident took place around 11 p.m. last night, according to report called from the spot. The deceased village volunteer has been identified as Takhalambam Manoranjan, 23 years, son of Takhalambam Prem Kumar of Thiam Konjin, Imphal West. The injured person has been identified as Mangshatabam Wanglan, son of Mangshatabam Hira of Chingmairong, Imphal West. It may be mentioned that last night Kuki militants attacked at Meitei villages, namely Nongpo Kaithalmanbi, Sinamkhul, Kautruk, Irengban and Kadangban. The Kuki militants used bombs and other sophisticated weapons. On the other hand, video footage well viral on social media has shown that Manoranjan was first arrested and later killed by indiscriminate firing from the close range. The weapon used by the Manoranjan was captured by the Kuki militants. His lifeless body was kept on Reams morgue for autopsy, and the injured village volunteer Wanglan is undergoing treatment at Reams Hospital. Our video journalist 79 Lystrom is on the spot where gunfight occurred. According to our video journalist, Kuki militants came at the bunker of Meitei village volunteer and attacked them. Let us have a look what our video journalist says about the incidents from the spot.
Yes, I know. Kangchup lahing bulu tu na ma thale si vevin. Ada musa. Mai jang karo. Bai, tute. Taro. Tute jong ka syak su bai. Hale. Sikila do hin sahi kita aja kak mah sikila ni sedo piya cakap sahi kita sikila do cicoi pahi sahi kita
iba mafam asi khogi Kangchup Chingkhong dani hariba Kangchup Chingkhong asida Kangchup Chingkhongi mathakta laiba Kangchup Kharang Porom Ching hariba chingthak asida Kuki militant jingna ikhang khangokdana numidangi pung 12 minute 35 chatpa adwaida khungak poromda onsinduna nomai kamlokpada khungak pa ma laikhidraba khungak pa dugi maming Takhalambam Manoranjan kawi mahaki mapagi mamingna Takhalambam Prem Kumar Elias Inau hariba mioi asi aphagi Thiam Konjin dagini hojik asiba masadu aphagi Manipur police amadi CRPF anina lauthararuba matungda rimski mokta postmortem midamukta pukre hiram asigi matangda pawdam jariba 79 Lystrom ELITETV